All right, fam, we're back with a new overpriced tool from Milwaukee. No surprise there. Options if you want that tool, and a couple of hacks, including one of the best Dewalt glitch hacks I have ever seen. So let's jump right into it. Let's start off with the brand new band file. That's what they're calling this. This is really actually just a modified version of their cutoff tool. We've all seen the mods to turn the cutoff tools into belt sanders, and of course I will leave links. Even VCG has done this. My boy Denny did this. Jacob All sells the kits, dozens of different types of kits. But let's go ahead and take a look at the tools. Let's take a look at the 1/2 inch belt grinder. Oh wow. Okay, so right before I made this video, these were set to right around $10,000. At $249, this is a lot more palatable, not bad at all. M12, of course, should be reversible switches, looks like a tool-free belt cover, variable speed trigger. Now that I'm seeing the price at $249, it's not bad. Of course, I will still leave links to the aforementioned videos for those of you guys who want to check out VCG's mods and stuff like that. Right now, they are set for pre-order only, shipping on February 10th. Tool Nut's pretty good about that sort of thing. Of course, all digital control modules there, forward, reverse, speed adjustments. Looks like they come with 2 speeds, but not bad at $249. Here's your favorite boy right there with the mod. Link for that video will be in the description down below. Now, the undermount light is something that no mechanic can live without, especially if you guys have lifts and stuff like that, or even if you don't. They're honestly pretty good. And until now, they've been pretty pricey, but they are now hackable at the depot. You're going to go to the link that I'll leave in the description. Go ahead and click on free gift with purchase. That's not a bad light, honestly, but if it were up to me, I would just get one of those magnetic rovers. They run about $50. They're solid. I've got 2 of them. That's neither here nor there. I'm getting sidetracked. Free gift with purchase. Select the high output 2.5, which is the hacking battery of the season. Add them both to cart, and it'll give you your price. $142 for the underbody light. I've never seen it this cheap. Will it be cheaper in the future? Maybe, but $142, not bad at all. Of course, you're going to have to return that 2.5 amp hour battery. No, you cannot split this one up like the pack out hack. Moving on, and the reason why all of you guys clicked on this, yes, $149 for the 2 drill combo kit with the very, very tiny batteries. I think those are like 1.3s. But if you guys see here, free gift with purchase, choose your free item. You can get the 4.0 with 21700 cells, the cordless circ saw. I think that is the brushed version, but by the way, not the brushless. The cordless brushless hammer drill, the one-handed recip, the ever famous oscillating tool. The Atomic and the XR really are the same thing, guys. I think the updated XR has speed selectors, but with a variable speed trigger, honestly, who cares? And the mechanics tool set, which is already sold out. So let's go ahead and let's do the highest priced item, which is the hammer drill. And that brings the price of the kit down to $72. Are you kidding me? Don't hesitate. Go and get this right now before it sells out. It'll be gone really quick. I'm guessing after this video goes live, it'll probably sell out within the hour. That's it. That's everything I got for you guys. Have at it. Good luck.